Hello everyone, welcome back to Garden Fever. I'm Corey Lefevre, your host today, talking to you direct from northern Utah in the United States. And I want to welcome you back again for another exciting episode. Today I'm just going to give you a quick tour over my houseplants. I've got some videos coming on some of my newer ones, but I've acquired quite a few new plants this year, so my houseplant collection kind of doubled. It is January and I am getting ready to start my starts indoors for this coming year's growing season, but we're not quite there yet, so I got a little bit of time. So in the meantime, I'm going to do some houseplant videos, and I've got a lot of really cool species. I was given a lot of gifts this year from family, friends, and other subscribers. So with that, let's get into it. Let's give you the tour, and I hope you enjoy. Keep in mind that some of these are new, and I don't have a whole lot of information about them. They haven't been growing very long, but I'm pretty sure in the future we will have plenty of video for you on them and the breakdown for them. But for now, we're just going to kind of skim through and go through some of the majority of the house plants that I have, and we'll go from there. Anyway, thanks for joining me today, and we'll get started.